I really cannot believe that Dollar Tree is stocking the shelves like crazy right now, which means I have to do another shop with me because there are even more new finds. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and we are doing another Dollar Tree shop with me this month because there's just so much, you guys. So let's head over there. I'm going to show you everything that I find that's new. Let's go shopping at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is still rolling out all of their holiday and Christmas items, so it's not too late to find some of these steals. I actually found a lot of the gift wrap that are starting to pop up in the stores. Really cute patterns. They also include licensed characters. This gift wrap is actually pretty good, especially if you get the licensed characters like the LOLs or Mickey Mouse. Sometimes they have the princesses. We also have the yard candy canes, lots of those. A definite favorite would have to be these ornaments where you can insert your own picture. This is great for a gift tag or even giving as a gift itself. Grandparents will love that kind of thing. All of your holiday hats and dress-up wear are now on the shelves. We have the reversible sequin Santa hat. We have the ones with the licensed characters. These are all felt. All of the holiday headbands are also in. I mean, there's a lot of cute styles. Some are repeats from last year, like these little ones here. I actually have these in the Santa heads from maybe 10 years ago. They really do last. We have some new headbands. These reindeers with the little gingham print I think are really cute. We also have the ugly Christmas ties. These are basically like a clip-on, well, actually I think they're a strap-on tie that you can wear around your neck. We have the jewelry with the bells on it. Speaking of bells, they brought back the jingle bells. These are little bracelets that you can wear, which are really great for preschool play and music. Love those. I like the Santa nose, and I also like the glasses. They did have some tulle skirts too. These just came in red and with a little white trim around the edges. Starting to see a lot of the party favors, stocking stuffer kind of things right now. All of these are basically what we see every holiday, just in Christmas theme. I do like the ice cube molds for sensory play. Throw this in a sensory bin for scooping and pouring. It's just fun because they have that holiday theme. And of course, we cannot forget about the sock selection. Every year, for every season, Dollar Tree has like the biggest selection of socks. These come in small sizes, baby sizes, and adult sizes, and you're gonna find them in crew socks, in low socks, fuzzy socks, non-fuzzy, definitely find them. Then we have the little money holders and the Christmas cards this year. This is always a Dollar Tree favorite because I know a lot of people like to get these for donation items. So they have all the little plushies and the different designs, Santa Claus's bears. They even had some that played music, although I don't know what songs they are because I didn't dare play it and then not be able to turn it off. But this elf over here makes some Christmas music sounds when you push on it. These little LED projectors come in a green or a red, and they will project onto your ceiling, the little shapes you see on the dome. They also have the smaller LED lights, and you can push the button and get a sample of what it looks like. Definitely make sure you get one that has lights like this one, so not like the empty one there on the end. We have the glasses with the lights on them, and then we have a lot of like cooking bakeware containers. These are 2-packs right here. They come with lids and have designs on them. There's also the water bottles. Definitely like the clear ones because you could use those year round and nobody will know that it was a holiday one. Love these little Santa belt buckets. These are really cute. You can put a lot of different items in here, even a gift. We have the cookie tins and all kinds of different designs. These usually sell pretty quick, you guys, so if you like these kind of things, now's the time to get them. They also come in a rectangle square shape. I'll show you in just a second. Love the little truck here with the tree tray. That's kind of fun. Here's the ones that come in different sizes, so you have kind of like a smaller one and a larger one. These can nest inside of each other, so just beware that you're getting different sizes and maybe you want the multiple sizes, so just be aware of that. These little containers too always are popular. There's all kinds of different sayings on each side, and they also come in different colors. Lots of choices there. These are repeat from last year too, like the gingerbread one. Especially love the one with the Santa buckle. I think that's a lot of fun. You can put treats in here, give away candy. Love those. Then we have the Tupperware containers that have the decorated lids. The Christmas trays are also back. These are in so many different designs. Great for putting cookies on, or if you're going to take something to somebody's house for a holiday party and you just want to leave the tray, this would be a good option. Also back are the DIY ornaments. So these are $1.25 for a pack of the 2 smaller ones. They also have the large ones that are $1.25 for one. You can get the snow globe filler to fill it. They have little Christmas trees that you can put inside to make your own Christmas tree ornament. Lots of different options there. There is a lot of ribbon too that you saw right there, but I also showed that ribbon in a previous video. If you like the scarves, they have a whole bunch of holiday scarves. This is a great way to jazz up a basic outfit. And then they also have those ties for garland that look like garland, so it kind of hides them if you're going to put garland on your staircase or a banister. This will help hold it up and you won't even see it. Now getting on to all of the winter wear, they did have a whole bunch of hats and scarves and socks. These are not the thickest of hats and scarves, but they are really cute and fashionable. You can find a whole bunch of different styles and mix and match them. A lot of neutral colors. I was seeing peaches and creams and whites and grays, blacks and navies too. They have a little spot on there where you can write to and from, but definitely cut off that $1.25 price tag. Here's a look at all of the different socks they have. Super fuzzy socks, all kinds of different styles and patterns. I mean, a really, really good selection. Dollar Tree definitely knocked it out of the park this time. Oh, and there's mittens. Definitely look out for the mittens too. Lots of choices on the mittens and gloves. Heading over to the toy section, I wanted to see if anything is new over here. There was only a few items. I did find these little cars here that are kind of push, and I think there might be lights in there, like it might light up a little bit, but it has a little action to it. These little kits are great to put together, nuts and bolts, and definitely for the older child. I'd say like 8 and up on these. There's a couple different ones. Love the race car one. Then we have a lot of the figurines. We're thinking stocking stuffers here, birthday gifts throughout the year, putting these on a birthday cake. Right now they had almost every single one stocked and all the different licensed characters, Sesame Street, Paw Patrol, all the Disney characters, Marvel even, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, a lot of different choices. So the stores are pretty much stocked on these. Go look for them. Somebody told me these Transformer ones were really good too. Another new item in the toy section would have to be this play kit. It's a kit because there's a little container to keep your dough or your clay inside. It comes with some tools and a roller. For $1.25, I think that is actually a really great bargain. They also have the dough kits, but these are now scented. So 4 different ones in there that are scented the different scents: cotton candy, blue raspberry. I'm gonna have to put this in a Dollar Tree toy test. Also a brand new find are these mystery balls from Marvel. And I saw these in a few stores, so you'll probably be able to still find them. I want to open this up and see what's in it too in a Dollar Tree toy test coming soon. We had this back too, which is the Sensory Fidget Squishy that is in hamburger shape. Sorry for the poor angle here. There are a couple different styles. I just want to show you that they are back, and these are name brand. Brand new would have to be these paint and pour kits, or pour and paint kits. Different licensed characters that come with the molds. You make the plaster and you're making your own little decoration that you can paint afterwards. Frozen, Nightmare Before Christmas, and Marvel. These looked really cute. I think the Frozen was the cutest out of the whole bunch. And then of course we have some new games. There's Headbands, which is a smaller version of the name brand game that you can find at Target, which is just basically the same game, just smaller version. They also had their version of Yacht, or Yahtzee, which comes with the dice and the scorecards. You can also find this 3-in-1 game board that you can play chess or checkers in it, so you get both game pieces inside. This one looked pretty interesting. I wanted to see what it looked like when you open it up. And then we have some wooden games. Look at this. This is a checkerboard. So you have the checkers inside the wooden box. It also has a tic-tac-toe. And then they had these really cool maze games. Now these maze games, there's little tiny metal balls in there that you have to get it to the center of the game board. This one came in 3 different shapes. Brand new, never seen these before at Dollar Tree. In the Dollar Tree Plus section, we see this clay pet set, which looked pretty good too. So if you like the molding clay, this would actually be a good option. I believe it's air dry clay actually. And then they also have this foil and glitter sticker set, which I have showed you the name brand version of this and I absolutely love it. So I definitely want to try this one out too to see if it's equal quality. That's just a really great find. Then we have the string art kit, and this is your typical string art that comes with 3 canvases and the little threads to make it. All of these were $3, so in the Dollar Tree Plus section for these. Then they had a couple of other toy selections, so take a look at that Dollar Tree Plus section. You might find a really good gift idea, just a few dollars more than you would have paid. Another sensory find here looks like sensory slimes with some mix-ins in it. This was a 3-pack and it had a big dessert theme to it. And if you don't like the Dollar Tree dough, they also have some sets of Play-Doh. For $3, you can get 6 different colors, and it looks like this had a gold color in it too, so it was like a bonus to it. Over in the craft section, brand new are these collections of beads. Now, we've never seen these before, so I'm really curious to see the quality. They had a whole bunch of different colors and different shapes and different sizes. So if you can get a couple of these, and you can probably make yourself some really cute bracelets. So very excited about those. They look to be like a mix of maybe glass and plastic beads. I'm not 100% sure because I wasn't going to open them in the store, but if you've opened these, you'll have to let me know what you think of them. Another brand new craft item at Dollar Tree are these ceramic coasters. In my store, I found 2 different styles, and these are sold in 2-packs. We have the round and the square. Some people are telling me that these are actually cheaper to buy at Home Depot. I'm not sure about that, but it'd be a really cute item to DIY. Over in the kitchen section, I wanted to point out a few finds. I don't normally spend a lot of time over here, but I did find these really cute holiday mugs. Look at that with the little carrot nose. We have the morning person mug, and then we have really cute cookies for Santa mug, which you could probably pair with the cookies for Santa plate and maybe a package of the chocolate chip cookie dough mix and make a really cute gift, especially for somebody who might be having their very first Christmas. This set of nesting measuring spoons would be amazing for a sensory table, sensory play, scooping, pouring, all kinds of things. Highly recommend that. And then also a new find are all these glass storage containers. Now I found these with a couple different lids. These lids didn't seem to be the most sturdy or thickest of plastic, but they did have a lot of different shapes. So be on the lookout for those. I know those are brand new. They also had a glass bowl, which had a much better lid on it. So I'd recommend this one over the others. And then also in this section, you can find a whole bunch of different containers right now. They especially have a huge selection of these that have little vents in the lid. So if you want to heat something up, you can pop open that vent on the top to let the air out. If you like this video, I have more for you on the screen. I will see you over there next. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.